Hi guys, welcome back. Do you know when to use a noun? When to use a verb? When to use an adverb? When to use an adjective? After this video, you will. So come along, let's find out the differences between nouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs. Our first topic is going to be nouns. What is a noun? A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or an idea. People, teacher, doctor, David, friend, tourist. Places, Bangkok, school, market, Thailand, hospital. Things, book, tuk-tuk, pen, coffee, phone. Ideas, freedom, love, happiness, hope, knowledge. These ideas you can't touch. Most of the time, you can't see them. So, they are called abstract nouns. A noun that names a specific place or person is called a proper noun, so it has a capital letter to start. Bangkok, David. Okay, let's look at some mini sentence examples. The teacher is in the classroom. I love Thai food. She believes in kindness. So a quick tip, if you can see it, touch it, or name it, it's probably a noun. Unless it's an abstract noun. So these are thought processes like love, kindness, happiness, knowledge. Because you can't say, I have one knowledge, I have two love, I have three information. They're also uncountable. That's a topic for another video. Verbs. Verbs are action words, state of being verbs. So we have action verbs, run, walk, cook, read, drive, sing, dance, write. Or we have state verbs, be, feel, seem, know, believe, have, want. Many sentence examples. She runs every morning. I have a question. They feel tired. Now remember, verbs are the only one of this list that can be used in any tense. Present simple, I eat rice. Past simple, I ate rice yesterday. Future simple, I will eat rice tomorrow. Present continuous, I am eating rice now. Present perfect, I have eaten rice. Past perfect, I had eaten rice. So with the verbs do change depending on the tense. Quick tip, if something is happening, the verb shows what's being done, it's a verb. Adjectives. Adjectives describe or modify nouns. They will tell us more about a person, a place, or a thing. Big, small, beautiful, delicious, hot, cold, tired, noisy, quiet, blue. Many sentence examples. It's a hot day. She has 2 cats. That's a delicious mango. We went to a noisy market. Quick tip. Adjectives answer what kind? How many? Which one? Adverbs. Adverbs describe verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. That's confusing. They tell us how, where, when, or to what extent something happens. Adverbs of manner. How? Quickly, slowly, carefully, hardly, loudly. Adverbs of time. When? Yesterday. Now. Soon. Always. Never. Adverbs of place. Where? Here. There. Outside. Inside. Everywhere. Adverbs of degree. To what extent? Very. Really. To. Almost. Quite. Adverbs of sequence. First, firstly, next, then, after that, lastly, finally. Many sentence examples. He quickly crossed the street. They arrived late. She is very smart. We looked everywhere for the phone. First, I asked him what he wanted. Second, I got him a drink of water. Finally, I checked on him to see if he was enjoying the food. Quick tip. Many adverbs end in ly, but not all of them. Did that make sense? Do you understand nouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs better? Again, what you need? Practice, practice, practice. Now, all of these can be used in the same sentences. Let's put some together. Let's look at a couple of sentences. The happy student quickly wrote a long essay in the library. So we have a noun, happy. We have an adverb, quickly. We have a verb, wrote. We have a noun, adjective, long essay. Yesterday, the tired dog slowly walked into the shady park. Let's break it all down. Nouns, naming words, things. Student, essay, dog, park. Verbs, action words, wrote, walked. Adjectives, happy, tired, long, shady. Adverbs, quickly, slowly, yesterday. So that's it for our video for today. I hope you now have a better understanding of nouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs. When it comes to adjectives, we can join lots of adjectives together, and there is a specific order for when you use each adjective and where they go in the sentence. But that will be another video. So if you like this video, comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what you would like me to make a video on. Grammar points? Vocabulary? Up to you. Let me know. As always, thank you very much for watching to the very end. If you'd like to see another video, click on this link right here. Until next time, I'll see you later.